Hey, Lexi. Lexi, come on. Lexi, look. To this ball. Go.
Annie, are you okay? Can you tell us that you're okay? There was someone at the window, and he looked like a flamingo.
Hey man, can I have some beer? Dude, I just want a beer. Dude, I just want a beer, man!
What does a dog say?
Mate.
This is what happens when you're eating chicken. Puppy. Kitty. Help.
Oh, stop. This is cat food, okay? Ow! Stupid chicken!